Hi, I heard you wanted to talk about my recent work on the project. I hope everything is okay. Life can be a roller coaster, right?
Hi there, Alex. Thanks for taking the time to speak with me today. I wanted to take the time to have a conversation about the recent project you've been working on.
Of course. I'm glad to chat. I know there have been some challenges with the project. What specific concerns do you have?
What I've noticed is that you've started to miss deadlines recently and it's impacting on the broader project. And so I just wondered what's going on for you right now. It's not like you.
I get it, and I appreciate you bringing it up. I've been putting in a lot of effort, but I guess I'm struggling with the code quality. It's frustrating, honestly. I want to improve, but I need some clarity on what exactly needs fixing. Can we talk about that?
And when you finish the session, you just click End Session. The genius comes afterwards when you get a score out of 100. So it's given me a rating here, intermediate and intermediate for feedback and coaching, advanced for encouraging open communication. It then tells you what your strengths are, what your areas are for improvement in each of those different areas. You've got the opportunity to analyse that conversation. You then get to generate a performance chart which shows you your progress throughout the conversation. And then finally, you get some key takeaways. If you want, you can then try again to improve your score. I think this is going to be a game changer for people to be able to practice in a safe space. Let's go behind the scenes and see how it all gets set up, ready to go. So the first thing that you'll see is a really quick overview of what it is that you'll be covering and the specific skills that you'll be practicing. When you're ready, hit Start Practice. This is where you get the backstory, so you get to find out the context for the role play. You'll find out your role and the AI avatar's role. When you click on Next, you get to select your AI partner. You can then choose what you would like to call your avatar throughout. My suggestion when it comes to choosing their personality is start off with the professional option, because this just gives you an easier ride the first time you get to grips with it. After every single practice session, you'll have the opportunity to go again, and you can always choose to change some of the emotional reactions and behaviours that you experience. Default is for English. There are many other languages that you can choose from as well. Next, you get to see the learning objective and then exactly what you're going to be getting feedback on. Before you even get started, you can see an example of what great would look like and what a poor example would look like. This just gives people the opportunity to start to figure out how they might structure their session, or some of the things that they might say, or equally some of the things that they might avoid. If you want to do that before you get started, you just click on Generate Example Transcript. Then you get to find out how the AI avatar is going to start off. You'll see that you're encouraged to do a minimum of 2 minutes, because that gives the AI opportunity to really start to analyse what it is that you're saying and how you've said it. When you're ready, you just click on Start Session. It takes a couple of minutes and then the AI avatar springs to life and starts with that opening sentence.
Hi, I heard you wanted to talk about my recent work on the project. I hope everything is okay.
Want to find out more about how you can get the AI practice boosters in your organisation? Just pop me an email. The details are below.